Hey guys, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So here I am back in my mini Happy Planner dashboard, and this is for the week of Monday, April 5th through to Sunday, April 11th. And as you can see, I've already filled it in. I actually wasn't going to film it after the pen, but after hearing your guys' comments or seeing all of your guys' comments, it really motivated me to continue doing this. Just knowing that this is helpful to so many of you in terms of how to fill in a dashboard layout, how you can use a dashboard layout, and things like that. So I'm going to try and continue to do them as much as I can do. Now, as you can see, I've already filled most of this out, but I just kind of want to show you how it works. So let's get started. So the way that I have filled this out already is, well, the way that I use this is that for each day, the way that I decorate is that I try to make Monday, Tuesday, Friday, and Saturday the same in terms of how I decorate it with, you know, a floral or some decor and either a box or a heading. And because of the way that I decorate, what I normally put in here is just a list of to-dos with a circle and then check them off as I go. And then any actual appointments I will still put in with a circle and then check mark it as I go. So I don't actually use a different type of box or a different type of label for events or appointments. They all will go under this kind of checklist type of thing, just because I like the way that everything looks the same. There are some people who like using a box for separate appointments and things, but I find actually a lot of boxes take up a lot of room and prevent me from writing things down in here. So what I've gone in and done is for Monday, because I have the day off, I've written quite a few things that I plan on getting done today, but already saying that things like baseboards and doors, decided we're not gonna do that today. I think we're gonna decide maybe possibly on Saturday or Sunday we're going to do this. So I'm going to cross this off for now. Or am I? Do I want to cross it off, or do I want to white it out and then just start from the very beginning with this box? I think I'm actually going to cross it out, because then it'll show that no, we had planned to get it done today, but it didn't work out. So anything that's crossed out like this will basically say things that did not work out. But then the rest I do have to do. So cabinets and appliances, meal plan, order groceries, and I have to work on a project for the squad. Now in this section here, I actually keep track of meal planning. And I used to use this section for keeping track of my work shifts, and then I would keep track of meal planning in here somewhere. But now, since getting my new job, the shifts are exactly the same Monday through Friday, so I don't need to keep track of work shifts here. What I keep track of here now is my meals for the week. So tonight we are having pork with apples and fennel, and then tomorrow we are having chicken parmesan. And then it's basically the same. So Wednesday, pork with apple and fennel and chicken parmesan. I make enough so that we have leftovers for the week. And then Friday is normally pizza night because I'm boring. And then Saturday will be probably movie night. And movie night can sometimes be takeout, or we normally just do chicken fingers and fries, or I normally have popcorn shrimp with fries. And then Sunday, I haven't planned out that meal yet. So that will be one of the things I have to do today. And then Tuesday, my husband normally mops the floors on Tuesday. And tomorrow, Lucy has her first grooming at Pet Value. Crazy. Wednesday is garbage day. Thursday, I've put this down, but there isn't anything that's happening yet for Thursday, so I've just kind of left that blank. Friday, I have my physical, and then Lucy has her appointment at the vet. Saturdays are normally pretty busy for us because Henry's got his wall climbing, and then Robin's got horseback riding, and then I actually have something for work in the evening. So I actually put it lower down in the box to make room for anything else that I need to put in here. And then Sundays are normally our cleaning day. So I actually use this flag to mark two things, and then when both are done, I'll just do one big check mark for that. So that is how I've prepped it for the week. And then in here, I decided that for any day that feels like it can't fit into a box here, I will just hand letter the name of the day and then do separate projects underneath here. And I actually like the look of that. And then in this area here, I'm going to keep track of the calories and the steps that I've burned. Sorry, the calories that I've burned and the steps that I've done each day. All right, so that is how I set up my planner for the week. I will see you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, so it is now Wednesday. I apologize for the state of my nails and my hand. So yesterday I was running upstairs and we have a foosball table that's kind of pushed to the side, but it doesn't allow full passageway, and I rammed my hand into one of like the handles that wasn't covered. So that was gross yesterday. It looks better today. And my nails are at the stage where anybody else do this, where they just like to chip away at the nail polish, and it's at that stage where it's easier to chip it away than to actually take it away with acetone. So anyway, that's where I am. All right, sorry guys. So let's go to Monday. I was off that day and I was able to do the cabinets and appliances. I was able to meal plan, order groceries, and I finished my Happy Planner Squad project. Yesterday we took Lucy for a grooming. So she had a puppy bath yesterday, and I'm going to see if I can post a photo right here of like her before and her after. And she just turned out really, really cute. She was all big and poofy. And then yesterday my husband did not mop the floors yesterday, but he will be doing them today. He finds that doing them on Wednesdays is easier. I don't know why, but he did do the garbages and he will mop the floors later. So tomorrow I am picking up the groceries between 6 and 7 o'clock. And I decided on that time instead of trying to do it first thing before my shift. And my physical has been canceled. So when something is canceled or I'm removing it, I'm going to just cross it out like that. So a circle that crossed out means that it wasn't done, which is fine. And then anything changing for the weekend? Yes, so on Saturday, where I'm gonna go to Lucy's first puppy meetup, just to help socialize her more. So that is the last few days here. Now let's go into this portion of my planner, and I'm just gonna write a check that I did both of those. So then I'm gonna do my steps and my calories burned for those 3 days. So let's look at my phone. I get all of this information on my phone, but I also put it in my fitness planner. I actually don't know why I've been doing it in the 2 places, but it's nice being able to see it in the 2 places. You can certainly use this area for so much more. I used to, I don't as much anymore. So let's see, Sunday was 12,242 steps. Monday was 12,163, and yesterday was 12,642. And then calories burned for Sunday was 2,268, Monday 2,345, and yesterday was 2,163. All right, so just thinking, is there anything else that I need to add for today? I don't think so. If I don't see you guys tomorrow, I will see you guys on Friday, where I'm taking Lucy to the vet. Have a good day. Hey guys, it's Thursday. Just looking for my pen. So my husband did mop the floors yesterday, and tonight I will be picking up the groceries between 6 and 7. And then, let me find it here. My steps for Wednesday, I did, where's Wednesday? 12,327, and calories burned was 2,270. Now, I need your guys' opinion. I feel like, am I missing something? What was supposed to be done on Sunday? I think I was sent an email. Let me just double check. For, where'd it go? Did I delete it? I hate when I do that. I get an email and then I'm like, yeah, I got it, I'll remember, and then I delete it. There's something that I'm supposed to take part in on, there it is, Saturday morning. Okay, so I'm actually just going to write it up here. D360 at 9 a.m. So Since I work for WW, actually, I have been given just a trial of their new subscription product, Digital 360, and one of the lives is happening on Sunday morning at 9 a.m. So I'm going to make sure I am a part of that. Now, here is the thing I wanted to ask you guys. Because I'm trying to play around with different layouts for my social media planner, I thought next week that I will give social media planning a try in the dashboard layout and then do my day-to-day planning in the vertical layout. Shocker, I know. So we'll see how that works. Let me, give me your thoughts on that. But I will still try and do an after the pen with the vertical so you guys can see how I use that. All right, so that is today. If I don't see you tomorrow, Lucy's got a vet appointment. All right, but I will, if I don't see you guys tomorrow, then definitely on the weekend. Have a good night. Hey guys, it's now Saturday. Hold on, where's my pen? It is now Saturday, and I apologize for being away for, I guess, Friday. Was it really just yesterday? Okay, so catching up. Yesterday we took Lucy to the vet. She absolutely loves the vet. And I mean, we have a fantastic vet who absolutely loves Lucy. But Lucy was so relaxed. She was so friendly with the vet. She wasn't scared. So I'm really, really grateful that she is that way. And then today, I took Henry to wall climbing, which is thankfully still happening even with the step back in restrictions as of yesterday. So living where I am in Alberta, the numbers for COVID have not gone down. They've actually gone back up. So instead of loosening restrictions, they've been tightened again. So, but thank goodness, Henry's wall climbing lessons and Robin's horseback riding are still happening. We did not end up going to this puppy meetup because it actually ended up being set earlier at 12:30 and we just couldn't make that time. But I was able to take Lucy on a walk around the neighborhood and she did really, really well. And then tonight I've got a happy hour over Zoom with my team at work. So for my stats then for Thursday and Friday, Thursday I did 13,525 steps, and Friday I might have to move over here. Friday I did 12,772 steps. And then in terms of calories burned, so on Thursday I burned 2,428, and Friday I burned 2,273. I'm just going to write the word Saturday here. All right, so I didn't actually end up using this too much. Let's move this over. But what I think has to happen actually is my husband already actually did clean the windows today because he thought today was Sunday. And I should have just let him think it was Sunday so then he would have done the vacuuming today as well, but whatever. And then so we've got bathrooms and cabinets and appliances tomorrow. We also have to do the baseboards and the doors. And actually today, my daughter, and I'm already checking it off, Robin did the door handles and the light switches. And that's one that we try and do. Well, it's such a short task. It's going to be something done every week. All right, so that is it for today. I will see you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, so it is now Sunday. Just checking off what we've done today. We've done a lot today, and I'm actually going to white something out here because we did something else instead of that. So I did attend my first D360 live this morning it was at 8 o'clock actually, not 9, and it was very good. I did do the bathrooms, and we also had the doors and baseboards of the house to do today because we were supposed to do them last week and we did not, but we did do them today. So the way that we broke it down is my husband did the doors. We have a lot of doors in this house. And then baseboards. So I did the main floor and the stairs, and then the kids, Henry did the basement, which there really isn't a lot in the basement, and then Robin did the upstairs, and there's not a lot upstairs as well. And then my husband did the vacuuming, and he did the windows yesterday. Last night I had my little happy hour over Zoom with some of my team. It wasn't mandatory, but it was still nice to be able to see people, say, outside of work. All right, so then I don't have my book. Hold on. So yesterday I managed to get 13,377 steps and then burn 2,197 calories. So I didn't really end up using this space over here. I I use this on days where I get really, really busy. I'm just looking around for my puppy. Oh, there she is. Come here, Lucy. But that is it for me this week. Next week, I will be using the vertical as my catch-all because my dashboard is for social media next week. So I'm switching things around. So my After the Pen next week will be in my vertical mini happy planner. All right. Again, that is it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Thank you.